Come on, Jarvis, let's get this space station loaded up with the requested 500 repair kits. Then we can get back to playing some Pokemon. So if we have 10 pallets of 10 repair kits, that gives us a total of 100 repair kits. Let's place them into our 100th pallet, then we can load them in the space station. That gives the space station 100 repair kits.
Bring up our next set of 10 pallets and place them into the 100th pallet. Let's place them into the space station. Now the station has 200 repair kits. Here comes our next set of 10 pallets that we place into the 100th pallet. Adding to the space station, now they have 300 kits.
Next set of 10 pallets, please. By adding them into our 100th pallet and placing them into the station, they now have 400 kits.
Only one more set to go. Let's take our 10 pallets and place them into our 100th pallet. Send it! The space station now has 500 kits. Our job here is done. Tyler, now we can get back to our Pokemon adventures.